Hey, it's Timothy. I'm back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. On this video, I want to talk about things you can do right away to improve your credit. Now, these are the fastest things you can do to improve your credit. Let's get into it right now. The first thing you want to do is pay down any credit card that is over 30%. So any credit card is over 30%. So how you figure this out is you take, let's say, whatever the credit card limit is. So whatever the limit is, let's say the limit is $500. You time that by 0.3. That means you should not have more than $150 on that card. So anything, whatever the limit is, time it by 0.3 and get it under 30%. If you're unable to get it under 30%, there's another way you can go about that. You can ask them for a higher limit. Now, when they give you a higher limit, then that means they're going to automatically help you get under that 30%. So if you have a $500 credit card, for example, you can ask them to increase that to $1,000 or $700. So let's just say it went from $500 to $700. So $700 times 0.3, that's $210. So keep it under $210. Another way to help you build credit is become an authorized user. So the way this works is, I've done this before. My wife, for example, did not have good credit. And not that she didn't have good credit, she didn't have any credit. So I added her to one or two of my credit cards. I use some cards just for gas. And the reason I use it just for gas is they give me 3% cash back. So at the end of the year, I get gift cards or a credit to my account. So I added her as an authorized user. So now when I'm making those payments on time, she's getting credit for it. And boy, did it help her credit. Now you have to be careful about being an authorized user on someone else's credit. If they make a late payment, you made a late payment. If that balance goes up, your balance goes up. So the good part about it, if you find someone who's really responsible and want to help you, they can add you as an authorized user. You don't have to use the card. You just get credit for whatever they do. But remember, if they go over 30% and their credit goes down, now that did not help you. Now, another thing you can do here, pay your bills on time. Just pay things on time. You never want a 30-day late payment. You never want anything paid late. And another thing is deal with the collections. Like I said, go to annual free credit report and see the accounts that are in collection. Set up a payment plan. Try to get them removed. Now, after you pay them off, now they do stay on your credit report for 7 years. But if you paid them off, you can go back and ask them, hey, can you remove that? If they remove that, it does help you. Sometimes paying it off helps you, but it helps you again if they remove that. So sometimes you got to deal with those collection things. This is another tip. Open a secure credit card. This is for someone that doesn't have any credit. Secure credit card is great. You give someone $200, they give you a credit card for $200. And you're not really going to do anything with $200, but you're mainly using it so you can show that you can borrow it, be responsible, and pay it back on time. Another thing that I've seen people do is you can go to Experian and you get a boost by adding stuff that does not normally show up on your credit report. For example, like a utility bill. You can go to Experian and ask them that you want them to add your utility bills or things that normally would not be on the report, like your rent and things like that. They will put that on your report and show that you're making on-time payments on that. Again, that's more for somebody that's looking to rebuild their credit, coming out of bankruptcy or foreclosure. That's something that's really good. Or someone that doesn't have any credit. It's good to do that. So let me kind of just recap here. The people that looking to improve their credit already had credit. They need to improve their credit. They need to get under 30% utilization, or ask for a credit limit increase. Someone that doesn't have credit, become an authorized user on someone that does have credit. Again, for everybody, pay your bills on time. For collections, most times if you have collections, you might already have some credit. You just didn't manage it well. Pay off those collections, then go back to them and ask them to remove the negative remark. Again, if you have no credit, a secure credit card would be great. If you have no credit, go to Experian Boost and add your rent and utility bills to your credit. So there's a lot of ways. Now you have to be, one more thing too, when you add something to your credit like a utility bill and you pay it late, now it does the opposite. It's going to hurt you. So sometimes you're better off not doing that at all. But those are some good tips and advice. Now please leave me a comment, drop me a like, let me know what you think about this stuff. And which one would you be interested in doing? What you think? We can talk more about it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.